guys. Good morning, the vlog. Hey, so whatever time you're watching this, we'll do a random vlog. My tea, very good, very nice. And I'm eating more foods that are like soft, but my teeth are getting more better. They're healing faster and they don't hurt as much as before. So I can eat cold and hot food. Not too hot. I like to have my food warm. But yeah, I can handle like cold food, like ice cream. I can handle that. I can handle it. Um, I love drinking lots of water all the time. I always drink water like every day. So yeah, always drink water, guys, because water is good for you. Hydrate. Water. It's good for you. It's gonna be a random vlog. I'm gonna make myself breakfast. A very quick and easy breakfast in this little vlog. And eat it. And yeah. Oh, today was crazy. It was a bird in the garage. A bird in the garage. I'm like, how did a bird get in the garage? What? Anyway, so yeah, a random day in my vlog, day in my life. A nice day, and then the bird showed up in the garage. For some reason, I don't know how the bird got in the garage. You'll see a little clip of that. But yeah, this is my vlog. I think 126, I believe, vlog. Random vlog. I'm not that good at doing vlogs, you guys. I'm not that good at it. I tried. I was watching Queer Eye. I love this show on Netflix, Queer Eye. He's the Fab Five guys, and I love them so much. And one that's non-binary, and I'm like, that's so cool. Amin and Jonathan, they are amazing, fabulous. They're all fabulous. And I like to watch them all the time on Netflix, Queer Eye, and how they change lives. This is my beautiful daughter, Star. Look how beautiful she looks. See? I look pretty, right? Right, Star? You have a nice day today? You remember you saw the bird, right?
Yeah.
How you felt when you saw the bird?
Happy.
Why you feel happy?
I've never seen a bird before.
You never see a bird before. So I got my breakfast right here. It's quick and easy, and it won't hurt my teeth, and it's soft. And I like that. It's just easy. It's really good. Got it from Amazon. I think you can get this from ShopRite, Rite Aid, Walmart. But I just got it from Amazon Prime. And if you want, you can add more eggs if you want. Mix it together. That's what I did. I like to add a little bit of Parmesan, a little bit of garlic, a tiny bit, not a lot, and parsley. Make it taste better. It's so good. It's delicious. Quick and easy. That way, I don't have to make breakfast on the like cook scrambled eggs on the stove. I can just do this. It makes it easier. And plus, I barely ever eat breakfast in the morning. And breakfast is very important to eat in the morning. It's very important to eat it. I know that. But I choose not to cook breakfast in the morning. I can cook breakfast, like scrambled eggs, bacon, bread, toast. And I can make hash brown. I can make some hash brown from a bag of, shredded hash brown. Just fry it up. French fries, chicken nugget. I think I have made pancakes before and chicken wings. But that's pretty much it. That's all I can do. I can't cook anything else because it's too hard for me. My back is her standing there too long. This is my breakfast anyway. Yeah. See, my teeth is like nice.
Wait.
What's that? Is that the sink? Hey, is that the sink or the bathroom? Mama, come here. It's hiding somewhere in there. I saw a bird. You hear it? At first I thought it was a bat, but I see a bird. Oh, it looks so pretty. Why, you look beautiful. Mom would be so happy to see you like that.
Where is the bird?
She's trying to cut it to open the garage. The bird is stuck in there. Ow. Not funny. You laughing.
Did you record the bird?
No. I didn't get a chance. It's stuck up there. That's a sink.
There's the bird. You made me rush.
At least you got out. Yeah, it looks pretty.
What's wrong? What are we trying to do?
You see it? You see it? It's right there. Look, where I'm pointing at the light. You see it?
No, I can't see it.
It's like right there. You see it? Look in the camera. You see it? It's the tail. Look! What's right there? Look, you see it? Look at the camera. You see the camera? The camera. You see it, right? You can't see it's right there. The bird. Come on, Birdie. It's okay. Birdie.
His new name is not Birdie.
Well, it's a bird.
I want to call it Tweedle. Tweety. Tweedles. Why did you open the garage door for?
It flew away. It flew away. Why you look sad? Why you look sad? Hey, get off of my walker roller walker.
At my new home.
No, quick, come on, please get off. I'm not to play with, not a toy.
No, poor Birdie. I wanted to go outside. I wanted to go outside.
Wow, girl model. Work it, yeah, pose. Looks so beautiful, Star. Okay, now walk like a model. Ready? And go on, show off. Really? Hey, Rita. Aw, see, that's a pretty smile of yours. You look pretty when you smile. Aw. Oh, hello again. You pretty girl.
Look behind you.
Why are you hiding behind me? She's like, but I'm running away. And this is my beautiful mommy. She's a hard-working woman, and she's strong, and she's really pretty. She's running away. She's gonna hide behind a giant bush plant. She's so cute, and she's funny. But you're the best mom in the whole world. This is my mama, and she's so beautiful. Look at her, mommy. Come back. You're beautiful. You're an amazing woman in the whole entire world.
My loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind.
Were you born with that knife super glued onto your hand or what?
What are you talking about?
For God's sake, Chucky, drag yourself into the 90s. Stabbings went out with Bundy and Dahmer. You look like Martha Stewart with that thing.
Who the fuck is Martha Stewart?
My idol. And what does Martha tell you to do when guests drop by for dinner and you haven't had time to shop? You improvise.
A ruby guard, but just a single one. They tend to come in teams of 3 or more. A precious sapphire, she sees the future. That's who the ruby